Hey guys, I'm Keto Jen, and this is my very first YouTube video inspired by the ketogenic diet. So let's get started with the ingredients. So for this recipe, you're going to use 8 ounces of Baker's unsweetened chocolate, 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 4 large eggs if you have them, but in this case I only had medium eggs, so I used 5 medium eggs. And I used also 1/4 cup of stevia and a tablespoon of vanilla extract, which I forgot to put a picture of, but it's in there. For the first step, you're going to cut or break the chocolate into smaller pieces to make it easier to melt. So you're going to use a heat bowl over simmered water. Add the chocolate and the 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add the 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a pinch of salt. Let the chocolate slowly melt, mixing occasionally. When the chocolate is halfway melted, add the stevia. Mix and stir until fully melted, then turn off the heat and allow it to cool while we work on the egg mixture. Use a stand or a hand mixture to beat the eggs for a minute or two until nice and fluffy. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and continue to mix for a bit more. Then you gotta grease an 8x8 baking dish with butter. Let it sit for at least 25 minutes. Cut up your pieces and enjoy. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I will be doing my best to be posting more videos of the ketogenic diet recipes. Thank you so much for your support, guys.